Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start removing the old cushion now. First, position the Solo 2 face up on a clean surface and power it off. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, locate the seam where the cushion meets the ear cup and use a plastic spudger or your fingernail to pry gently. Do not yank. You want to separate the adhesive layer while keeping the internal ring intact. As you lift, rotate slightly around the cup so the foam releases evenly. Make sure to collect any loose adhesive pieces in your tray. Now remove the mounting ring carefully and prepare the surface for the new cushion. Peel the cushion off by rolling it away from the ring, keeping even tension so the foam does not tear. Once removed, dampen a lint-free cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol and wipe the ring to remove old adhesive and oils. Allow it to dry fully. Inspect the plastic clips and foam retaining groove for damage. If clips are cracked, the new cushion may not seat properly, so note any replacement needs before continuing. Finish by aligning the replacement cushion with the mounting ring and seating it evenly all the way around. Start at one point and press the cushion lip into the groove, moving around the cup while applying firm, consistent pressure for 10 to 20 seconds to engage the adhesive. Once seated, flex the cushion slightly to confirm a snug fit and put the headset on to check comfort and sound. If you notice gaps or muffled audio, reseat the cushion or re-clean the ring. Address clipped or torn areas promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.